Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Writing Quiz. Which sentence is correct? She don't like coffee. He doesn't likes coffee. They don't like coffee. They don't like coffee. Choose the correct form of the verb. I blank to the store yesterday. Go. Went. Goed. Went. I went to the store yesterday. Select the correct sentence. She don't like cake. She doesn't like cake. She doesn't like cake. She doesn't like cake. What is the past tense of sing? Singing, singed, sang, sang. Select the correct sentence. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. Which sentence is correct? She haven't eaten breakfast. She hasn't ate breakfast. She hasn't eaten breakfast. She hasn't eaten breakfast. Choose the correct missing verb. She blanked to the party last night. Go, goed, went. Went. She went to the party last night. Which word is the opposite of loud? Quit, quick, quiet. Quiet. Choose the correct missing verb. They blank a new car. Buy, buyed, bought. Bought. They bought a new car. Choose the correct missing verb. She blank a good book last night. Reads, reading, read. Read. She read a good book last night. Select the correct sentence. They don't like swimming. They don't like swimming. They doesn't like swimming. They don't like swimming. Which sentence is grammatically correct? They enjoys playing soccer. They enjoy play soccer. They enjoy playing soccer. They enjoy playing soccer. Select the correct sentence. There is many questions. There are many questions. There is many question. There are many questions. Choose the correct form of the verb. He blanked a bike last week. Buyed, buy, bought. Bought. He bought a bike last week. Choose the correct missing word. I have a blank car. Run. 5. Nice. Nice. I have a nice car. Which sentence is correct? She doesn't know the answers. She doesn't know the answer. She doesn't know the answer. She doesn't know the answer. Choose the correct form of the verb. They blank to the beach last summer. Go, goed, went. Went. They went to the beach last summer. Choose the correct form of the verb. I usually blank tea in the morning. Drank, drink, drunk. Drink. I usually drink tea in the morning. Select the correct sentence. He don't have a car. He doesn't have a car. He doesn't have a car. He doesn't have a car. Select the correct sentence. The sun is shine. The sun shines. The sun shining. The sun shines.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.